inside her. Wandalena, leave her now! In the name of God, be gone!
Seriously? Look at my hair! You totally ruined it! Wait a minute.
Let's continue.
Demons can possess your soul, but don't let frizz possess your hair. IMA Shampoo.
The ad you just watched was created with a brand new AI ad maker in just a few minutes. No video editor, no camera, no actors, just an idea and the right AI tool. And the best part? Anyone can do this, even if you've never made an ad before. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how it's done. Now, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Part 1. What's in it for you? AI ad creation is becoming one of the most valuable AI skills you can learn today. You don't need your own product or business to make money with it. You can create ads for affiliate products, work with brands, offer AI ad creation as a freelance service, or even start your own AI ad agency. All you need is a good idea, the right AI tool, and the right workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know the complete workflow to create professional AI ads from scratch.
Everyday gaming, no job, no money, no future.
Then can I just sell this house for money?
Part 2. The idea. One mistake I see a lot of beginners make is asking AI to come up with the entire ad idea. Most AI-generated ideas are too generic and don't stand out. That's why you should look for inspiration on YouTube ad compilation channels, Instagram, or other social media platforms. Watch as many commercials as you can, especially Thai ads. They're known for their creative storytelling, emotional scenes, and unforgettable endings. Don't copy the ideas. Instead, study what makes them work. Pay attention to the hook, the story, the camera angles, the pacing, and the ending. Then use those ideas as inspiration to create your own unique version. Once you have a strong concept, simply enter your idea into IMA Agent, and it will help refine your entire story or ad script. There's no need to use ChatGPT or any other writing tool since everything you need is built right into the platform. Part 3. AI Ad Maker. Now that you have your idea, it's time to choose the right AI ad maker. A good AI ad maker should include the latest AI models for every step of the creative process. For image generation, it should support models like GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana 2. For video generation, Seedance 2.0 is a must because it delivers excellent character consistency. And for music, it should include top models like Suno or Mareka. Having everything in one platform can save you a lot of money compared to paying for multiple subscriptions. In 2026, another must-have feature is a canvas-based editor. It makes it much easier to organize your assets, edit your project, and manage your entire workflow in one place. For this tutorial, I'll be using IMA Studio. It's an all-in-one AI creative platform that combines image generation, video generation, music generation, and a powerful canvas editor, so you can create your entire AI ad without switching between different tools. If you're new to IMA Studio, use the link in the video description to get a special limited time offer. Part 4. Create your AI ad. After logging into IMA Studio, open the canvas and create a new project. Before we start creating our AI ad, let me quickly introduce the IMA Studio canvas. It's your all-in-one creative workspace where every part of your project comes together. Instead of jumping between different apps and browser tabs, you can generate images, videos, music, voice, and manage everything in one place. The canvas uses a node-based workflow where each node represents a different asset in your project. This makes it easy to build, edit, and organize your AI ad from start to finish. To create a new asset, simply click Add Node and choose the type of content you want to generate. Step 1. Create your character. There are 2 ways to create a character for your ad, from a text prompt or from a reference image. To create a character from a text prompt, add an image node and describe the character you want to create. Then select the AI model, aspect ratio, and the number of images you want to generate. Click Generate to start. To create a character from a reference image, first upload your image using the Upload node. Then add a new image node, tell the AI to use the uploaded image as a reference, and describe the character or changes you want to make. Using the same method, you can keep editing and refining your character until you're happy with the result. Step 2. Create the scene. Creating the scene works exactly the same way as creating your character. Simply add a new image node, describe the location and the character's action, then choose your AI model and click Generate. If you're using a reference image, just connect it to the new image node and tell the AI to use it as a reference. You can keep refining the result until you're happy with it. Step 3. Create the video. In this step, let's create a video using your characters and scene as reference images. First, add a new video node, then connect both characters from Step 1 and the scene from Step 2 as reference images. To reference them in your prompt, simply type @ and select the connected assets. Next, describe what you want to happen in the video. Include each character's actions, facial expressions, camera movements, lighting, and any other details you want the AI to generate. Once you're ready, choose your video model, adjust the settings if needed, and click Generate. Repeat this step until you've created all the scenes you need. If you want your characters to talk, simply include the dialogue or narration in your prompt. Here are some videos generated using this method.
Whatever is inside her, Wanalena, leave her now! In the name of God, be gone!
Seriously? Look at my hair! You totally ruined it! Wait a minute.
Step 4. Add the product. To add a product to your video, simply upload it using the Upload node, then follow the same process as in Step 3. Connect the product as a reference, mention it in your prompt using @ and describe how you want it to appear or interact in the scene. Here's the result from this step. Step 5. Background music. To make your ad more professional, let's create some background music. To do that, add an audio node and ask the AI to generate music that matches the theme and mood of your ad. You can use models like Suno or Dubao BGM. Once the music is ready, download all your video scenes and the background music. Then combine everything and make the final edits using your favorite video editor. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create a professional AI ad from scratch using IMA Studio. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave a comment below. I read every comment and do my best to reply to as many as I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.